Hey gamers! If you've been hitting the frustrating error like couldn't load resource aux inventory or failed to open pack file, read bulk of header failed, you're definitely not alone. A lot of players face this issue, especially when joining specific servers, and it's mostly server-side, but we've got you covered with some client-side fixes as well. So let's dive in. Server-side fixes 1. Re-upload the aux inventory files. If you're a server owner, start by re-uploading the aux inventory files to your server. Make sure the resource files are complete and intact. Corrupt or missing files often trigger this error. Re-upload them and verify everything is in place. 2. Restart the server. Sometimes resources can get bugged or fail to load properly. A simple server restart can often fix things. It's a quick fix, but it can work wonders. 3. Check server logs. If re-uploading and restarting don't do the trick, dig into the server logs for any error messages or clues about what's causing the failure. Client-side fixes. If the issue is on your end, here's what you can try. Method 1. Check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection could be causing resource load failures. Restart your router or switch to a wired connection for more stability. You can even run an online speed test to see if your internet is fast enough. Make sure to close apps that are eating up bandwidth, like streaming services or large downloads. Method 2. Clear 5M cache. Corrupted cache files might be blocking the resources from loading correctly. Here's how to clear your 5M cache. Close 5M completely. Go to the 5M application data folder. Right-click the 5M shortcut. Choose Open File Location and look for the data folder. Inside the folder, delete the cache folder. Don't delete the game folder itself. Relaunch 5 million and try rejoining the server. Method 3. Temporarily disable your Firewall 0 antivirus. Sometimes your firewall or antivirus software can mistakenly block the download of resources. Disable them temporarily by going to the control panel, selecting System and Security, and opening Windows Defender Firewall. Turn it off for now, then try reconnecting to the server. If it works, remember to add 5M to the exceptions list in your firewall/antivirus settings to avoid future interruptions. Method 4. Use a VPN. If your internet service provider is throttling or causing connection issues, using a VPN can help. Download and install a reliable VPN, like NordVPN, ProtonVPN, or even the free Cloudflare Warp. Make sure to connect to a nearby server for the best speed. After that, try launching 5M again and rejoining the server. Method 5. Check your disk space and permissions. Low disk space can also block the download of resources. Make sure there's enough free space on your drive where 5 megabytes is installed. Aim for at least 10 gigabytes of free space. Also, right-click the 5M shortcut and run as administrator to avoid any permission issues. That's pretty much it. For server owners, it's mostly about ensuring your resources are intact or just restarting the server. For players, the client-side fixes should help get you back in action. If this guide helped, give us a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more troubleshooting tips. And if you're still having trouble, drop a comment below. We'll do our best to help you out. See you next time.